Imagine having a holistic healing coach with you 24/7. It's guiding you towards optimal wellness. It's helping you heal from illness or injury faster, and even predicting potential health issues before they arise. Today, this isn't a fantasy. It's becoming a reality thanks to AI. I'm here to talk about our groundbreaking AI holistic healing coach. It then provides real-time, personalized recommendations for meditation, breathwork, nutrition, and other healing modalities. These recommendations are not one-size-fits-all. They adapt to your unique needs and preferences as they change throughout the day. Our AI technology is transforming the wellness industry by putting personalized health and wellness guidance into the palm of your hand, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our AI creates a comprehensive wellness profile by analyzing your sleep patterns, stress levels, heart rate variability, and even your emotional states. Think of it as having a holistic health coach that never gets tired, always knows the best course of action, and can tailor a plan specifically for you. We believe that the future of holistic healing lies in this collaboration between human expertise and artificial intelligence. And we're at the forefront of this exciting evolution. It enhances the collaboration between you and your holistic practitioner. Try our AI holistic healing coach today and experience the transformation for yourself. With this level of insight, your practitioner can fine-tune your treatment plan, taking into account not only your stated goals, but also your body's real-time feedback. Together, we can help more people achieve their wellness goals and live healthier, happier lives. This intelligent guidance ensures that you get the most out of every healing session, making your journey towards wellness more effective and empowering. By tracking hundreds of variables about your unique responses to different healing modalities, our AI gives your coach unprecedented data, enabling them to guide your sessions in a way that's more effective and efficient. For example, our AI can recognize correlations between your energy levels and the lunar cycles, helping you to time your healing practices for optimal results. It can also track how specific foods affect your mood, what emotional triggers precede physical symptoms, and much more. But that's just the beginning. Our AI technology does more than just provide guidance. Imagine the possibilities. Furthermore, our AI is able to identify intelligent patterns in your healing journey that might not be apparent to the human eye. By harnessing the power of AI, we're able to provide you with a level of care that's not only more personalized, but also more precise and proactive. Are you ready to take control of your health and well-being in a whole new way? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to share it with anyone who might benefit from our AI-powered wellness solutions.